Are you tired of your hose getting tangled and in the way whilst you're trying to clean gutters?
Well, yes, I am actually. It's so frustrating. I'm just trying to get a good job done.
Well then, we've got the perfect solution for you. Say hello to the skyVac Swivel Cuff, designed to eliminate hose tangles and kinks and optimize cleaning efficiency. This cuff is an essential addition to your higher reach cleaning equipment, featuring a 360-degree rotation, allowing for a smoother, more efficient cleaning experience. Struggling to keep your vacuum hose in check should be the least of your worries, so say goodbye to hose tangles.
This is amazing. Thanks for the help.